All right, hit it.
So I love coffee. I've become a coffee snob. I worked for Gimme Coffee, which is a roastery in the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York, and they roast amazing beans from all over the coffee belt, and they've turned me into a coffee snob. Of course, you grow up, you're drinking Folgers, which is considered the first wave of coffee.
Mountain grown for richer flavor.
Starbucks and Pete's is the second wave, and then this third wave of coffee roasteries are the ones who really know how to treat beans the way beans are meant to be treated. And so I drink a lot of coffee. It's allowed me to drink black coffee, because if you never thought you could drink black coffee, it's probably because you're drinking junk that's been burned to death. This stuff is roasted brilliantly, it's sweet, it's delicious, and I love it. And so I get to try all of these amazing coffees from all over the country, these roasteries who are taking time to make perfect coffee. I make it in a Chemex, which is this thing. So each pot of coffee I make is hand poured through a Chemex filter. Again, freshly ground beans, but I go through one of these a day, and that means I'm at my limit. Which probably means I can have one more cup.